Good morning. It's breakfast time. The food's been delivered, and what is going on is I've got the food here. I'm gonna open up the food and show you what's, well, don't you dress for breakfast like me? Doesn't matter. What we're gonna do is find out what we have today. Oh, yeah, glasses. So in this, yesterday there was an egg. We got one egg, orange edamame, water, here we go, water, and I have no idea what this is. It's going to be fun to figure it out. It could be good. And another water. And they got various drinks in here sometimes, orange juice. I really don't know what some of the stuff is. Tubes of maybe coffee, tea, if you're into that for breakfast. Okay. And today, no chopsticks, just forks. I guess someone complained. I could do the chopsticks, but not everyone can. Let's see what's in this food. Okay. It's a breakfast sandwich? I think it's tuna fish. And so edamame, egg, and orange here. Let's see. Get that opened up. There you go. Now you can see. Egg, orange. And then there's something here. Let's figure out what it is. Could be a cookie or something. Packaging is not always clear what's inside. If you taste it, if you don't like it, there's a garbage. I think it's chocolate. Yeah, it's not bad. Chocolate, I guess in the South would be a moon pie. Very crumbly though. Someone kicked it all the way here. From where? I don't know. So that is that. Orange juice, and that is that's the start of breakfast. I'm not going to eat all this in the video. You'll just have to trust me that we got food here and I eat. Water, there's a little refrigerator over in the other section of the room, and then we'll go from there. That's about it. I will eat my breakfast and I'll give a tour of the room later. Thank you.